Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick LTV. Keep it locked.
I'm gonna tell you. We, as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? Set the bar for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First, and all things good and wonderful amongst us. Welcome viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make a good platform. Don't forget the cash app. You see, because we'll get to realize, yeah, see. No, a long time I wanted to do that feature, yeah. But I might never get, you don't know things certain time. Man. But you see with Jamaican woman are some of the toughest soldiers them in the world. Yeah. Especially when them come a foreign, especially in a foreign, yeah. I'm not gonna tell you no lie. You see, and before I'm gonna furthermore I say, when a Jamaican woman sends something come get anybody at Jamaica, you have to cherish it and treat it with enough love and respect. Because it's 90% of the time, the moment there, I live some life where far below par, far below respectability. You see, yeah, struggle tough. Yeah. Yes, I. Most of the time, the woman them have to deal with some man where normally them wouldn't look upon them type of guy there. You see, I know the wickedest thing about them type of guy there. No say at this them strength there because the woman them struggle with them immigration independence. You see, so some boy, even though them know say, some of the time of them last hopes this, because enough of them send for all a woman from Jamaica. Enough of them pray upon the woman them where a struggle with visa issue. See, because I that's them thing there. Nobody else wouldn't want to deal with them. Nobody else wouldn't want to be seen with them. And a lot of time, them very same woman that don't want to be seen with them either. They make up all sort of excuse for them do what them do by themselves and all them little thing there. You see, now you see the immigration system is a complex thing. And even the very educated about you don't really understand how it works. Or can work for them. Worst of all, our Jamaican women, them, where you don't know, see, no fault of theirs, like I must say that. But education is not something from where I come from, and something where it was a privilege. No. See, education was more like a stretch for reach. And according to our government set, because Jamaica built up off human capital, see, them not really want, and enough for them interest to educate people. See, and they make education one of the hardest thing for people come by. See, so a woman, them struggle. Them struggling at Jamaica, but when them come and find them struggle worse. See, it's psychological struggle. Because all our guy we know how and the easiest way to sort them out. And don't do it. Because they want to keep them in a servitude and make them feel like, say, them is less than what them really worth. Even when the guy can't hold a candle in terms of worth to that very woman, in terms of spirituality, in terms of genuineness and them sort of thing there, abilities and all of that. See, them use the little capital, particularly some man where they are from in the 60s, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s coming up the line when visa just did a giveaway. You never have no farmer, no great question to ask, and you get your steer. See, when it did easy, them man they capitalize on hard times when things get tough, when visa tighten up, and prey upon them woman, yeah. Control them, and like me say, enough of them woman live like slave amongst them. Modern day slave. And one of the simplest thing all the woman have to do, is show all her texts, abusive texts to the authorities, and I hate that for she, she get her visa, she get her stay. You see, because she live in an abusive relationship. Worse, she did this a long time. Or did it for a certain while. But the woman them don't know these things. Most of them don't really know these things. Most of them feel like, say, if them got a police station or them talk to any authority whatsoever, them might get deported, go back to Jamaica. Which, don't get me wrong, in a lot of cases, it is so. See, but we are talking at the case of when them feel abused or feel oppressed by some guy with them demons. See, most of the time, a guy know him struggle to get all a woman or a girl. So the best way to keep the one where him know is to demean her and make you feel undervalued, like so well then she not worth nothing. See, without him, she a go suffer and struggle. One of the easiest way to get your visa in England, man, is by having an abusive partner where you live with. Worse, that partner is a settled resident or whatever in the country. See, you report it to the authority and you're surprised to see how quick before morning light, because the authority don't embrace them thing there. And them no want you living at that for another night. See, because I know psychologically you get sexual assault. Yeah. And every occasion. So them a look upon it. Because when the nature of a guy is certain way, it turn off the woman. And no matter what, how a guy feel in himself, gratified or however. See, the woman no want it. Not a lot of times she play a role so that a guy feel good in himself. See, so that's him no kick her out. And she end up on the sidewalk and can't get nowhere to stay and thing like that. Which is, not no go so. And that's how things go. See, more and the woman them know say, them have more rights than the abuser them where them live with, the psychopathic animal them where them live with. Make them know say them have. You can't listen to a guy who treat you like dirt. I'm nature. I saw him feel good about himself. So him always and I don't know anybody him can get and treat. So him can't go up on the road, go pick up any woman and treat them like that. See? And because him enjoy that, like me say, him get some level of devilish gratification out of that, a guy, will lead you the wrong way, tell you the wrong thing. A guy now go advise you for you get your independence. Him want to be in control. Feel like, so well then, I him hold the weapon over you. Some guy, like me I tell you, say, some guy is worse than the slave master, them a slave overseer. See, some guy not have no values. And them now go put none upon you neither. You know, so what I say, ladies. And in a lot of cases, me know you feel like you better off by yourself than with some boy. You know, see, no matter how old a guy look, a boy them, if him now put the value, the true value upon you where you is as a woman, a mother of earth, of creation, a boy that. You know, see, yeah, the ladies, them have more rights, the woman, them have more rights than them let on. And realistically, them struggle because a man wants to carry yourself certain way and you look certain way. You know, look like a donkey bite you or you're a donkey a family. You will get a girl easy. You know, see, so a lot of cases, a lot of time, it's easier for a man find a partner than a woman. You know, see, and because being disenfranchised, discriminated against, treated with inequality, all of a guy's life, sometimes to the way him look, sometimes a guy know how him look, so even when a man I tell him or a girl I tell him the right thing, or institution or any whatever I tell him the right thing, him feel say because him look that way, that's why them treat him so. You know, see, so you see, because of them treatment there, when a guy get the opportunity to treat you certain way, careful. A guy I go run with it with the best of my ability. Run with it till him grave days. You know, see it. Sometimes a guy they even have nothing for dead left going on. It's all fake because people with them level of insecurity they usually create this false narrative, fake information regarding themselves. Like, so well then, them is all that. Check it out, a guy they even have dry shit in him body. On the suffer amongst all our guy. Waste on the time. Cause just like how a guy act like him and take care of a unu, the same guy they demand 10 times the amount of effort where him admit say him put towards you. Him demands 10 times the amount there from you, you know. You know, see, so you end up slave out your life amongst a guy when you deserve it. And it's not like, say, after a guy disappear or gone, you realize it. You know all along, say, this guy don't deserve it. But because of this visa issue and them type of thing there, you know, see, a woman feel like, say, she gonna get deported if she complain or if she talk or if she say something. Sometimes all you have to do is take out your phone and record a guy. A guy now have to put him on your feet, be known as abuse, you know. A guy have to just talk to you discriminatory, degrading. It's abuse. One of the serious abuse, most serious abuse that. Mental abuse. You know, see, because when somebody will see bruise on your ear, you cry and come to your rescue and take you out of that. Nobody now see the mental abuse where you're mad you. And the government would rather sort you out and put you on your own than treat you as a person with mental disorder. You know, see, where a guy put on you, can't there make some people undervalue you and treat you like, say, and abuse you because of your immigration status. Enough of them at Jamaica, them go friend hook them up with a woman and thing like that, and them sweet talk them and go down for them and bring them, carry them come to Britain. Turn them in a mental slave. Turn them in a mental punch bag where them can take out them stress. Pan. You know, see, it's not right. You have more rights than man within the context of the law. More protection than the phone. Jamaican women, them are one of the most abused women abroad here. Mentally. You know, see, because when you look upon the scope of things, it might be looked down on or normalized in a Jamaica, but abroad, a big thing. Even though it's been looked down on in a Jamaica, it's still unacceptable. It's still an abusive, dangerous thing. You know, see, but abroad, them recognize it, seeing and factor it in at the whole network, criminally, psychologically, and all of that. You know, see, and set up, you know, defense and, you know, would say restitution, but a farmer, a care, a farm of, you know, special attention regarding people who suffer them weird. Time for no stop, you know. That's why I say, when a woman they abroad, particularly when a man send for her or come for her, and then send back something, go give somebody at Jamaica, them feel appreciate love it, because most of the time, 7 out of 10 of them woman there, I live some little, you know, some abusive life. Be a cussing and bad treatment and talk down to like a servant. You see it for some guy when I deserve it. You know see what I say? Most of the time, Rasta. Yeah. And I just being ignorant of how the system work. And a lot of time again, them guys there damage them self-confidence and self-esteem because them work on it like a scientist. Them not have nothing else for themselves. So them have to concentrate on how best to keep a woman, and by doing that, a weaken her, or resolve. Worse when she think she in a certain position of unfortunacy. You know, see, immigration status bad and thing like that. You know, see, tell you all you have to do is take out your phone and record how a guy ask you for a cup of tea. The tone when him use and them way there. Some of the time, if you just a record and ask him to make you one and see him reaction and just them two clip there alone, system now and nothing else. Condemn the guy there as an abusive partner and know say the relationship here is damaging for the woman, and do what needs to be done, which is protect the woman, which like them always do. You know, see, don't sit down in an abusive relationship with no psychopathic idiot where him himself now no self-esteem, now no self-confidence. So him feel like the only way him can feel relevant is by having a puppet. When me not say when a puppet, you know, just I tell you say I saw the guy I think like he is a puppet. And him have a puppet where he can pull the string whenever I'm ready. That make him feel good about himself and all them things. That make him feel alive and relevant. See? So be mindful. Be mindful. And careful. And put some guy in them place. And 99% of the time, the first time when I put a guy in them place, he will never do it again. You know, see, first time you take up your phone and call in all the police pan a guy, police gonna tell a guy saying for move out now and leave you in another place there. Move out and find somewhere go. Police 99% of the time. And you have to want to leave and leave him in there in a whole heap of time, in a whole heap of cases. For him end up stay there and you have to go on the road. May I tell you that? You know, see, having a faulty immigration history or issue is not the law. It's not the worst thing. It's not the end. You get what I say? Many people find themselves in another position there. See? No, this is not the immigration advice, no, lawfully. See? This is the advice to the woman them who find themselves in some unsavory relationship where them feel beat down by a boy mouth in a Brittany. It's unacceptable. Just to make you know so you have no rights. You have more rights than a guy. You see? You can see a guy on the street a morning, probably in a homeless shelter, I try to get somewhere else to stay. And I have problem because in that case there, he make himself homeless, you know. It's not you. You see, a guy could have to move go to another city because you fear further repercussion and them type of thing there. Retaliation. You know, see, we love in the Jamaican, man. You know what I mean? A lot to the world now on our first priority because Jamaican food are #1 food in the world. And I who can cook that. You see, I give thanks. Rastafari.